If your savings account isn't growing, it's quietly shrinking. Most people get this wrong, but here's why Liberty Edge Savings is still part of the conversation in 2026. Liberty Edge Savings positions itself as a high-yield savings option with easy access and minimal restrictions. Its main appeal is offering competitive interest rates while keeping funds available for emergencies. Setting up an account is quick. Once funded, interest compounds regularly, allowing balances to grow steadily over time. You won't believe how much difference a higher yield can make over just a few years compared to traditional banks. Liberty Edge focuses on simplicity. There are no complicated tiers or conditions to earn interest. As long as money stays in the account, it works for you. This makes it ideal for emergency funds or short-term savings goals. Security features include strong encryption, instant alerts, and account activity monitoring. Users can also set withdrawal notifications, which adds another layer of protection. The main limitation is functionality. Liberty Edge does not offer checking features, debit cards, or bill pay. It works best as a companion account rather than a primary bank. In conclusion, Liberty Edge Savings in 2026 is still worth it if you want your savings to grow without locking money away. For simple, effective savings growth, it remains a strong option. Subscribe for more clear, honest money reviews.